to make boho chic earrings with resin. First, lay out your molds on a flat surface. Then, choose a color of Pearl-X powder to dust into the molds. Use a paintbrush, making sure to get all the open spaces in the mold. Continue dusting color into the other molds. You don't need a lot of powder, only enough to cover the silicone mold surface. Measure and mix 1/2 ounce of the Resin Obsession Super Clear Resin. This resin is perfect for this project because it mixes clear, releases bubbles easily, and cures hard. Pour the resin into each of the molds. Go over the surface with a heat gun, then allow to cure. Once dry, demold the resin earrings by peeling the charms out of the silicone. Then, paint over the surface of each of the earrings with a contrasting color of acrylic paint. Wipe off the surface of the earrings with a paper towel. This will leave paint in the recesses. Repeat as necessary. While the paint is still wet, sprinkle a small amount of glitter over the surface to give it an extra sparkle. Let dry, then finish with earring hardware. Get all of the supplies for this project at resinobsession.com.